Top 5 herbs that my clinic and my team uses to reverse neuropathy for our patients. So if you're watching this video, you probably have neuropathy. And maybe you've gone to a neurologist, you've talked to your friends, your family, and people who do research, and they say neuropathy cannot be reversed. Well, that's very true for most people. But in our clinic, it is absolutely reversible. Not 100%, but a large percentage. Okay, so I'm going to go over the 5 Chinese herbs that we use in our clinic that actually can help you restore your nerve function. It can help your nerves regenerate, okay, which is completely different from the golden standard of treatments by physicians for neuropathy. So let's dive in. So here's the top 5 herbs for neuropathy. First one is Huang Qi, Astragalus, Dangui, Angelica, Hu Suo, Corydalis, Danshen, Salvia, and Bai Shao, Peony. And of course, I'm butchering these names, so apologize for that. So these are not the only herbs we use in our clinic to help neuropathy patients reverse their neuropathy. These are just the top 5 herbs that most neuropathy patients in our clinic will always get. Okay, so in our clinic, we never prescribe one single herb by itself. We always prescribe 20 to 30 herb combination for every single neuropathy patient. Neuropathy is one of our, I would say, specialty. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that I was on a Neuropathy Alliance of Texas. It was a nonprofit neuropathy support group where they invited the top neurologists in our city to be on their medical advisory committee. And I was the only acupuncturist invited on to that medical advisory committee. So neuropathy is something my team is phenomenal at, and I would dare say that we are one of the best in the entire US for reversing neuropathy. Okay, so let's get into one of the main herbs, Huang Qi, Astragalus. Okay, the overall mechanism you can see enhances nerve regeneration through nerve growth factor upregulation, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects. In another video that you can check out here on YouTube, I talk about the common treatments of neuropathy from if you were to go to a neurologist or any type of physician, right? All Western medicine treatments do not reverse neuropathy. They don't help nerve regeneration. They don't help your nerves grow. All they do is stunt. They block the pain signal. All medications, if you're getting treatments from a neurologist or physician or even a functional medicine practitioner, all of their focus, their treatment focus is on numbing your pain. Okay, none of it is about nerve regeneration. And so with just all of these 5 herbs that we prescribe in our clinic, these are proven through our patients. You can see many of our testimonials, even on YouTube, where we reverse people's neuropathy. We help them regenerate their nerves at a faster rate. Okay, so this herb, Huang Qi astragalus, dosage, I'm not going to go through the dosage. Clinical studies, it improves nerve conduction velocity. When you have nerve damage and neuropathy, they do a nerve conduction test. And if your nerves are not conducting electricity, then you have what's called a positive, which means nerves are not communicating. It's like a wire that's short circuiting. This herb can help improve your nerve conduction, indicating restoration of nerve function. That's the beauty of what we do in my team, in my clinic at Achieve Integrative Health. We are about restorative longevity, restorative care. So that means restore nerve function. How do you reverse neuropathy? You restore the nerve function. You don't just put a Band-Aid, or you don't just kind of neutralize or tone down the pain signal, right? You have to reverse nerve function. If you don't reverse nerve function, you're not going to reverse your neuropathy, okay? Increases nerve growth factor, supporting axonal repair and regeneration. This herb, Huang Qi astragalus, can help repair your nerves, okay? It reduces oxidative stress, therefore decrease inflammation, protecting your nerves. It's generally safe, but you have to be cautious, okay? Because Huang Qi actually is an immunostimulant as well. You have to be cautious if you have autoimmune condition. So if you have the autoimmune type of neuropathy, you got to be careful in using this herb. And we are careful. We typically don't use this if they have an autoimmune, but we do it by case basis. Okay. Everything that I'm sharing with you, number one, this is not medical advice. You need to talk with a Chinese medicine practitioner. You have to talk to your physician before you do any of these treatments, utilize any of these herbs. This is something I am required to tell you for YouTube. Otherwise, they will shut down this channel. Okay. But what I'm telling you are things we actually do. This is not what I read. This is not, I went to PubMed and researched, oh, which herbs help with neuropathy? And then I give those to our patients. No, no, no. We have had huge success with reversing neuropathy, and I'm just sharing you from our success. Okay. So will this work for everybody? No, it won't. But can it work? Absolutely. We have live, real patients, real results to prove it. Okay. Next herb is Dangui Angelica sinensis. Okay, the best is the clinical takeaway, best for circulation-related neuropathy and numbness. Neuropathy, it's all about circulation. So you'll see all of these herbs can improve blood circulation. Okay, this one, Dangui, improves microcirculation and promotes nerve repair. Where do most people with neuropathy get the neuropathy? It's in their hands and feet, more specifically in their feet. Now, why? Because those are where there is peripheral micro capillaries. Okay, there's microcirculation involved, and so those nerves are not near like a big artery that has lots of nutrition. Okay, those nerves in your feet, they're as the arteries go from your heart into your hands and feet, they become smaller and smaller. Okay, microvessels. This herb, Dangui, is specifically great for moving blood circulation through the microvessels to the nerves in your hands and feet. Okay. Clinical studies, they enhance peripheral blood circulation, blood flow, improving oxygen delivery to the nerves. Oxygen is the number one nutrient your nerves need for regeneration. Okay, reduces ischemic nerve injury, supports angiogenesis, which is formation of new nerve pathways. Okay, so nerve repair. Safety note, it may increase bleeding risk because it's a blood mover. You got to be careful if you're taking blood thinners, right? Next herb, Hu Suo, Corydalis. Corydalis, best for sharp burning nerve pain. This is the one best for nerve pain. So with medication, if you're doing medication for neuropathy, all of those medications are to shut off the pain signal. It's not to restore function, it's to shut off pain signal because medications can only help with pain neuropathy. But here's the thing, the worst type, the pain neuropathy in our clinic, okay? So I'm only speaking for our clinic. Pain neuropathy is the easiest to treat. The hardest to treat is numbness. When your neuropathy becomes numbness, it goes from pain to tingling, pinprick sensations, hypersensitivity to numbness. When it goes to numbness, your nerves, some of your nerves are already dead. Now, some of them can still be regenerated. We've done it in our clinic. So it's proven in our clinic. No, it's not done in a double-blinded study. If that's what floats your boat and you only care, you only believe, and you will only trust practitioners who have done a double-blinded study, then this is not the video for you and we are not the clinic for you. You can disregard this information. We treat real patients, not in a test tube. We treat real patients and we get real results. Okay. Hu Suo. So it modulates the pain pathways. Now, here's the thing. It modulates it. It doesn't suppress it. Medications that your neurologist gives you, they suppress the pain signals. Herbs, we're not suppressing anything. We are just helping your nerves, your brain, and your peripheral nerves communicate better. That's what it means by modulating, okay? And therefore, it can reduce your neuropathic pain via dopamine receptor activity. Comparable analgesic effects in preclinical models, alters central pain processing. You got to be careful. This has a sedation possibility. It can make you kind of calm and, like sedation. Okay. Next, Shen or Salvia. This one is best for poor circulation, cause for neuropathy, right? I forgot this one. Huang Qi is good for best for numbness and nerve regeneration. Okay. Shen is salvia for circulation. It enhances circulation and reduces oxidative nerve damage. It improves microvascular blood flow to nerves. Okay, limiting nerve, it reduces oxidation. Okay, so it reduces your nerves from degenerating even faster. It protects the covering. If you look at the electricity is like the light bulb. There's a wire, right, that's connected to your light bulb to an electricity source. And that wire has a rubber protecting, right? That's our nerves have the same thing, right? It's called myelin sheath. And so that's what these endothelial function. This herb can help it. Danshen. Okay. This may interact with blood thinners. Again, if it's a good blood mover, all blood mover herbs, you got to be careful. They could interact with your blood thinners. So be careful. And last one is peony. Bai Shao. This is best for inflammation-driven nerve pain. Okay, anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective. It reduces inflammatory cytokines, protects neurons from damage, improves pain sensitivity thresholds. And you can see all of these herbs, these 5 herbs, again, remember, we use 20 to 30 herbs, okay? But these are the top 5 herbs that we use in our clinic, right? These are herbs we actually use in our clinic, treating thousands of patients, reversing neuropathy. I know it sounds weird. I know when you Google, every famous hospital will tell you neuropathy is not curable. It is not reversible unless it's diabetic neuropathy. All other neuropathy is not reversible, right? Well, that may be the case for them, but that's not the case in our clinic. And so we are able to help our patients by using herbs and our quick restorative acupuncture and some other therapies to provide the right nutrition for the nerves to regrow and regenerate. Now, does the nerve regeneration process, is it fast or slow? It's super slow. Okay. We can't defy nature. So it's 1 millimeter per day. That's one nerve, 1 millimeter per day. We can't speed that up even more. But here's the thing. Our herbs can help facilitate that nerve regeneration to happen. Medications cannot. Okay, so that's the difference. If you want more information about what is neuropathy, check out my other video where I also will discuss the gold standard treatments. If you were to go to a Western medicine physician, a neurologist, a pain management specialist, what they would do, okay, what's their treatments, what is commonly recognized by researchers. I will check in that video and you can learn more there. But this video is about how we reverse neuropathy with Chinese herbs.